Hello.
Hello.
What are we doing today? Daewoo. Woo. Everybody wanted a new Daewoo video. Here it is. So didn't have this car for a while, and now we're gonna do some stuff to it, like already pull off some belts, some gearbox covers, and now we're gonna change the timing belt and the thermostat. To loosen the crank and the camshaft pulleys up there, you take this gearbox cover off, and then you just jam a pry bar into the clutch or the flywheel right there. You just jam a pry bar in there to the clutch or the flywheel, so to stop the engine from spinning. Then your helper loosens it up there, and that's it. Then you just pull both the gears off or the pulleys, and you're ready to take the belt off. So here we are. We loosen this one, and now we just align the markings at the top. These things are pretty much approximately just, those two, and then the little thing down there. Align the little guy with the pulley, and then your engine is in time. Now we just loosen the bottom one also, and take off the belt, throw a new one on, and that's it. Then we can also change the thermostat back there, and you should be tightening the belt with the water pump, but this thing is probably gonna be seized as fuck. So I don't know if we're gonna do that. I think I'm just gonna take this off, then somehow get it on. We're gonna try, or we're gonna fuck with the water pump or something. So you had to take all that crap off, and the timing belt. Where is it? The timing belt. I wonder how old this is. Power grip gauge. This is probably like the first or the second one. It's not bad, but okay. So you have to do all of that because of those two bolts. So you can get to the thermostat, which is right behind there. You have to take everything off.
Hey, look at there. It's probably 2018.
Yeah, right.
It's from last year. Why do you want to change it?
Yeah. Well, the thermostat, goddammit. You know what's about to happen? We're gonna release the coolant, and totally nothing's gonna go on me. Pull it off.
Just a moment. Or this one. And now the big one.
No. Don't
Hello.
squirt on me. Jesus help me.
Okay, I got it.
Not too bad. Okay, not too bad. Usually it goes everywhere, but this is actually pretty good. Wow, that's some stanky ass old coolant. Nice. We're gonna do this, then we're gonna eat lunch, then we're gonna fix some subs, then we're gonna maybe fix some Hondas. Good shit.
Yes.
We already did something on the sub.
He's got a lot of car here, and he's low on battery on his camera. Look at all.
Actually, I have more batteries.
Okay, look at all these cars we need to repair. There are two. There is one. And there is one new.
This is the best car, and I'm selling it!
Yes.
If you didn't know, I'm gonna sell this because I don't need it anymore. I need
No.
it for winter and...
No, he need it.
Yeah.
But he wanna work every Saturday, but with this car.
Nothing's
There
ever
is
wrong,
nothing wrong.
except that one time we rebuilt
Yes.
the brakes. I can't own a car more than 2 years, they get boring, so we're probably gonna go buy an Alfa or a BMW or something. I wanna buy some new daily, and it's gonna be a total hoopty so we can make more videos. Awesome.
Yeah.
So how was the shower? I almost
don't want to talk about
I almost showered him with coolant.
that lake or something.
Yeah, there's...
Yeah. So I was standing there, and he said, "Oh, there is a little of
Yeah.
this water."
So
And
there
then-
I unbolted the thermostat housing, so a little coolant came out here, so he went to stand under there to catch it. And I was like, okay, it's good. And then I pulled out the thermostat, and it went like that. And then I was like, okay, a little bit of water came out, and then a whole waterfall came out of that hose and then right down into the hole, like right next to him.
And, okay.
Oh yeah, this is the thermostat piece of shit that was leaking, and the thermostat housing thing. So we're gonna replace the thermostat. It didn't open at all, so it's pretty much junk, I think. So I have a new one.
No, we will just replace this water and...
Yeah, just put this back. Or no thermostat, fuck it. Winter.
Yeah,
Who cares about winter? So I'm gonna put that and think I'm gonna silicone the thermostat housing back on just to make sure, because I'm not taking this apart ever again. and that's it. Pretty easy. And then throw the belt on. Hopefully we can do it without fucking with the water pump. And
yes, it's pretty hot right here, so I need a shower. So
yeah, it's like 30 degrees in here, and it's even hotter in the fucking hole. So yeah, there you go, Daewoo. Okay, new thermostat. There it is, brand new color stat, brand new gasket. Just
how much it cost?
yeah, I think it was like €2.5. I'm not sure. It has to check. I don't know if there's any. You can look it up on Autodoc. So yeah, there it is. And just put this on, put the thermostat housing back on, tighten it down, throw the new belt on, throw new water in. We're gonna do the oil. We're gonna do the valve cover gasket because I have that. I got that with the car. We're gonna do that, so it's gonna be nice. Gonna wash the engine, all the crap off it, and then just fuck it. We're gonna.
But you said we're gonna 10 minutes ago we're gonna use the old one. What's
Yeah, it's the old one. You mixed it up.
What the hell is he doing now? Okay.
I'm pumping.
Yeah. Right. Thanks.
So I'm gonna wash the engine a little bit because, you know, this coolant was leaking for like ever since I had it, and some oil, and so it's kind of shitty. So I just put some
They
engine
don't need
cleaner
to
on.
know, no.
Yeah, oh no, it's okay. Then I'm just gonna do a little spray. Perfect. Now I can put this shit back together.
Will you use this old coolant or not?
Still deciding.
Like the thermostat. Oops.
It turned on! So yeah, I was using the phone as a light, of course. It was up here, and then I bumped into it and it went ding 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 ding, and I was like, okay, it's gonna fall. And then I'm like, what's underneath? Oh fucking shit, there's coolant. And it, of course, it fell directly into the coolant. This is just a screen protector, that's nothing. So I blew it out with compressed air and it still works. There we go, there's the Calibra as a background, awesome. And yeah, it still works. Hopefully it keeps on working. Otherwise I'm gonna have to sell this just to buy a new phone for like $200.
Maybe we'll need to put
Shit.
it about 100 euros more to buy a better phone or something.
Yeah. Because this phone is worth more than this car, I'm pretty sure. Brand new, this was more. Oh look, I got internet connection and everything, that's good. Oh yeah, we put this on, now I'm just spinning the engine to see if it's in time. And then we're gonna put in some coolant, do the oil and that shit, and then I hope we're done. I took the reservoir off because it's all green inside, and look at this. It's literally like half the diameter.
Just a
it should
moment,
be.
focusing, okay?
Look at this. This should be like twice the size. Where's the screwdriver? There was barely any water flowing through this. What
Look
the
at
fuck?
there on this screw.
This is pretty terrible. So I'm gonna wash this. Wow.
And it smells perfect. Like
I think it's not head gasket, it's just old coolant, I believe. We're gonna see in the oil, but I hope it's not a head gasket, because then I'm just gonna drive this to the junkyard. Fuck this stupid shit. Oh, look at this now.
Look at now.
Spinach! Oh, fuck. Oh yeah, this is what happens when you never flush your coolant system in like 30 years or something.
Ooh, that smells like like the old toilets or something, 30 years old
Engine
shit.
cleaner and Daewoo 8. This is Korean spinach.
Probably now cooling system will work maybe a 10% like more usable or
No,
something.
it's actually gonna work. It didn't work at all right now. The thermostat didn't open, it was broken. There was barely any coolant, there was this crap in there. So yeah, I think it's gonna be...
Look at all this, oh
No, look,
my
no,
god.
look at this. What the fuck?
What was that?
Oh my god.
Well, what's this?
Well, there's like...
Focusing, no focusing.
Yeah. There's a millimeter thick wall of green goop in the reservoir.
Look at my hand
Look
and
at
his
this.
hand. Mm.
Fucking spin.
Now we're gonna have a lunch. I promise. So we are totally idiots, or what can I say? Or
This is how you change an oil filter on a Daewoo. First you need a screwdriver. Second, you need a hammer. And
wait for it. He will do some boom boom.
son of a bitch.
It won't lose.
Ow. I hit my hand super hard. Ow.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not coming off, I think. We don't have an oil wrench, of course, because we're poor and stupid.
So buy our stickers to get this. Yeah, right. Probably you will destroy this filter or something before we
sand
done
it.
this.
Now I'm through on the other side, I think.
Yep. Come on, did you eat something today or not?
I'm bending the screwdriver, look at this. I think this screwdriver is not that good. What do you think?
And this oil is, oh my god!
Mother shit.
Just a moment!
Come on! It's too late, fucking.
That's a reason why you don't buy this Daewoo. Because, yeah.
Oh,
right.
fuck! You can't loosen this flow. This is why you lube up the O-ring before you put it on. And you don't tighten it with a wrench like, you just hand tighten it. Look, oh my god.
What the fuck are you doing now?
Another hole.
Why?
Because somebody was up here pulling and I was under there pushing and we did half a turn. You can't turn it at all. I don't know who the fuck tightened this, but he's a fucking retard.
Yeah. Like on the old sub.
This is stupid. Oh, it's turning. Oh, I think we're good now.
What the fuck did you done with this filter? Oh my god.
Fucked it up.
So yeah, after 1 hour or 1 hour and a half.
Yeah, we finally got the filter in. We made 3 holes in the filter. Finally got it unbolt and unscrew. We're putting some Elf Revolution French oil because it's the cheapest, so it's the best.
Yes.
Awesome.
We are using this for 5 years or more.
It's good. Just cheapest 1040. This is 5 liters, 13 euros. And the old filter was like 3 euros or something. And that's it.
Everything works on low RPMs, high RPMs, so nothing destroyed yet.
It works on all my cars. It's good.
Yeah. What?
We put the belt on. I turned the
Great.
engine like 3 times. It says it's in time. I didn't even loosen the water pump to tension the belt. The tension's good. I just threw it on and I think it's good. So we're gonna start it and we're gonna later check again. It's still in time. Just gonna a quick start. There's no water in it. Fuck it. We have oil though. Right, like a box.
Turn it off now. Before you fucked up something.
Nah, it's
again.
fine. So you see, we actually did something good. I dropped my phone in there and now there's a huge like...
We can see it. Look at now.
It's not good. The prognosis for this is not good. You can see in the corner here. There's water in the screen. Oopsie. I guess I'm gonna put it into rice or something. Hopefully it evaporates, or I'm gonna use a hair dryer or something. Everything else works, but nah. It's fine. The car works, so we can sell it, so I can buy a new phone. Buy stickers, please. I wanna upgrade my phone. And yeah,
Again.
this works. Now we just gotta do the valve cover, coolant, then it's good.
Oh my god.
This is gonna be...
What's here now? Look at this. Look at this. Bleh.
And ooh,
Oh.
nice.
Green.
But there's still so much green shit.
Grass.
I think I'm gonna put some nuts in here and then I'm gonna shake it around so it's gonna take it off, because this is bad.
So bad.
Have you heard that Taylor Swift song, Shake It?
What the fuck? Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty swampy. Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Come on, come here. Look at that. Look at that now.
No, the big hole.
Ooh.
Oh. Nice. Diarrhea. Everything's put back together, so this is perfect. Now I just gotta do the valve cover gasket. Of course, these are cork and they're always leak on these stupid Opal thingies. And so you just take this pipe off and there's like 8 bolts and throw it on. Then we're good. We actually
I wasted like 1
let's see
hour
inside.
to...
That's pretty good. It's not perfect, but we don't care. At least there's no giant green goop
That
inside.
will cost you a cacao, how do we see
Oh,
it?
hell yeah. Oh, all the filters on, everything's good. We just put some water in, put this gasket on. Then finally we can test drive it or something, whatever. Finishing touches, putting wheel linings on. Other than that, already did everything. New valve cover gasket, clean up the valve cover, look at it, so shiny. Belts are on. Still gotta change that one, but I don't have the right ones. I have 2, but they're all wrong. Oops. So, everything's perfect. Needs an engine wash a little bit. New oil filters, water. Now just to bleed it, and then we're good. Okay, so the car runs great. Now it's time to make it even nicer. Yes. Bit of hesitation, got some water in the spark plugs, fuck it. I'm going for a little rip to dry off the engine, because right now, yeah, misfire. It's gonna wake up. Oh, there it is, woo! It starts pulling mad when when it starts working, so yeah, I'm gonna go for a little cruise in the rain, and hopefully this thing starts working pretty soon. Got some water out of the spark plugs. She's all good now, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Stop it, you. So yeah, everyone was demanding more Daewoo videos. Here it is, so I hope you enjoyed this short little video. We did some stuff to it, and now I don't know, I want to sell it because I want some other cool cars, and people tell me, oh, it's mint, don't sell it, it's awesome, but I don't know, just, it's a Daewoo, seriously, like, it's nothing special, but it is mint. Look at it, only 110,000 original kilometers. As soon as it focuses, there they are, legit kilometers. So yeah, it's a shame. It's got some GSI parts on it, but other than that, just a regular old hoopty. It was nice daily for a while. I bought it when it had 98,000 on it, so it worked perfectly except for the time the brakes locked up, but whatever. Old hoopties for 300 bucks. Still, it was a fun venture to get it and all the stuff we did to it, so let me know what you think, and yeah, what would you like to see next, or do you want to see me buy another hoopty or something? I don't know. So that's it for this video. Like, comment and subscribe for possibly more Daewoo stuff. Nice.